In this video, we'll show you how to add a Teltonika tracker to your GpsGate platform. We'll demo using an Android, but iPhone works too. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Asset panel and click on Add Asset. Give the asset a name, select the Teltonika tracker model you'd like to add to the platform, and choose the configuration type. For us, it's SMS from Android. Click Next Step. Now enter the tracker's IMEI number, the SIM card's APN, and phone number. Click Next Step. Next, we'll configure the connection details for our tracker. To do this, open the camera app on your phone and scan the QR code. This will open a ready-made text message. Send it to the tracker's phone number and wait for the tracker's reply as confirmation. After getting the confirmation, enable the checkbox and click Create Asset. Your asset is now added to the platform. From here, you can press Done or Continue Editing to add more details to your tracker. It may take a couple of minutes for the tracker to send its first position. Once it's online, you'll see the asset appear in a parked or an idling state. Right-click on it and select Show Terminal to see live data coming in. Your Teltonika tracker is now connected and sending data to your GpsGate platform.